Hey guys, welcome to another Lunchtime review. Today I'm going to be going to Culver's. They have a burger that I haven't tried, so I'm going to try that out, and I'm going to take you through drive-thru with me. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you for choosing Culver's. Did we make fresh for you?
Yeah, can I get one of your new Smokehouse BBQ Cheddar burgers?
Yeah, single, double, or triple?
Just a single.
Is everything okay on it?
Yeah, whatever normally comes with it.
Okay. And did you want to do the basket or no basket?
The basket.
What's going to be your side and then your drink?
Do you have onion rings?
We do.
Onion rings and a diet root beer.
Onion ring, side root beer. What else can I get?
And can I get one of the small cherry chip butter cake?
Concrete mixers?
Yeah, concrete mixers.
Yeah, did you want to do mini or short?
Just a short's fine.
Okay. What else can I get for you?
That's it.
$13.86, please.
Concrete for you. Drinking will make your card back.
Can I have a receipt too?
Yeah. There's your receipt. And there's your number. You can just pull forward that out.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, so here's the onion rings. They look really, really good and crispy. Here's the burger. So it's got the burger patty and the cheese, and it should have some barbecue sauce on there. It's supposed to be a cheddar bun. It doesn't look like a cheddar bun, but it may be. And this is the cherry butter cake, cherry chip butter cake, which looks really good. You can see little pieces of cake in there. So I'm going to get my camera turned around. I'll be right back. Okay, cost-wise, my glasses are dirty. The meal was $7.29 for the meal. And then the shake, the concrete mixer, was $4.19. So, not too bad. $7.29 for a burger meal. They did add $1.25 for onion rings though, because I got onion rings instead of fries. So they did bump the cost up for that. So I'm gonna try the onion rings first because they look. I mean, they are super. They're battered. They're not breaded, and they look super crisp. I like those a lot. They've got a good flavor to them, but I love the crispiness of them too. They do have a little bit of that kind of that burnt, greasy kind of taste to them, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Just know that they do have that greasy flavor to them. So those are good. I like those. They're really good. They remind me of an old school diner, like onion rings, like you would get it like around here that we have a restaurant called Parquet. They kind of remind me of that kind of onion ring, or Frisch's or something like that. Hey, here's the burger. There are some onion peels on here. I wonder if it's got barbecue. Yeah, it's underneath the barbecue sauce and the cheese. So here we go. That's what it looks like. I see bacon on there, the onion petals, and barbecue sauce. I taste the barbecue sauce. It has a little bit of lettuce. No, I think that's just lettuce that was like when they were making a bunch of burgers. I think just some of it got stuck. It does have pickles on it though. And it looks like mayonnaise. Flavor-wise, it's good. I'm kind of disappointed that the cheddar bun's not like covered with some cheese of some kind, but I really do like the bacon and the barbecue sauce flavor. It's really good. Usually when I go to Culver's, I get the Culver's Deluxe, and I always got a package of barbecue sauce anyway and poured it on the burger, and it adds that smoky barbecue sauce flavor. It's really good. I really like that burger. It's good. So I would give the onion rings, I'd probably give 3.5, 4, because they do kind of taste like just a greasy kind of flavor. They're good. I like the crispiness of them, but the flavor, they're not really oniony. The burger, I'd probably give a 4. I do like it quite a bit. Maybe even a 4.5. I'll stick with a 4.5. Now I'm anxious for this cherry because it sounds like, and it's melted a little bit too. It looks like it has chocolate chips, cherries, and then cake pieces. I really like the cherry flavor. I get the chocolate chips. The cake pieces, they put tons of stuff in here, by the way. The cake pieces are a little chewy. I like the flavor of the cake pieces. The texture is almost, it's hard to describe. It's not like cookie dough. It's chewier than that. It's like a firmer texture than that. Not bad though. I really do like the texture. The flavor of the cherry and the chocolate. The butter cake does have a good flavor to it. The texture's a little different, but it's not bad. It's almost brownie-like. It's how the texture of it. It's kind of chewy. Overall, if you got all of this together, I'd probably give the whole meal like a 4-ish, maybe even a 4.5, because I really do like the cherry chip concrete mixer. I really do like the burger, and the onion rings just bring it down just a little bit. So overall, really good meal. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.